Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Cole. I love fun, bright, colourful makeup, and if you do too, you are in the right place. Today we are back for Week of Colour Day 5, and today it's definitely the prompt that I am least excited for. Today we're going to be doing our eyeshadow with one brush. And let me tell you, I am not excited about this concept. I would say I probably use on average like 10 to 15 brushes per look. So using one is going to be incredibly difficult. Now, I wasn't sure what kind of brush to pick from the point of view of, obviously we need to blend with it, but I also need to do shimmers with it. So, in the end, I went for one very grotty looking ME18 from Made by Mitchell, which is like a small blending brush. So I can still pack the colour on with this, but then I can also blend with this. I'm not sure how this is going to go. I'm going to be able to use my fingers for some of the shimmers. I don't think that's cheating, but to be honest, I'm really not sure how this is going to go. I've also just taken my eye makeup off, but I think I took the bottom of my brows off at the same time. So let's just pop a little bit of more brow gel through those. Today I thought I would use another one of my favourite Colourful palettes. This is the Beauty Moon Unveiled palette. If you do want to pick this up, I do have a discount code which is called The Ball, which will save you 15%. It is affiliated though, so if you do use it, thank you so much for supporting my channel. And I did receive this in PR, but my thoughts are my own. This is what she looks like. I kind of want to do something green and yellow today, which is why I thought I'd pull this one out. But I am a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie, I am a little nervous regarding this brush situation. So we're going to use the ME18. I'm not going to keep saying it because we're only using the ME18 today. I think I want to start with this shade here called Electric Lime. This is a beautiful, really, really vibrant green shade, which is also UV reactive, which is super fun. And I'm just going to start by winging this out. And we're going to go all the way along the crease. Obviously we're not cutting the crease today because we can't use a different brush to cut the crease, so I'm trying to be as precise as possible. Like normally I end up with it like down on my lid, and I'm trying to be really, really precise so that it looks a little bit better, but hopefully the shimmer will cover it. Okay, so there is that down. We're then going to go in with Envy, which is this deeper green, and I'm going to start to blend this into the more immediate crease. I mean, so far so good, because this is the brush. This is one of the brushes that I use to do this. It's the rest of it I'm concerned about. Okay. Right, then we're going to go in and really deepen this up. And I'm going to go into the black called Midnight, and I'm probably going to go back and forward between Envy and Electric Lime as well, just to make sure it's nice and blended. So normally I'd use a smaller brush, so I'm literally just doing one tap into the pan and we'll see how that goes. Then back into Envy. The goal with this is to kind of like create like a khaki green colour. Okay, this is going quite well. Considering I would have used a much smaller brush for this normally. Just because I like to be precise. I'm really intrigued to see what brushes everybody else who does this challenge uses, because It took me ages. I sat in front of my brush pot and I was like, I don't know. But actually, I feel like in the end, this was a good choice. Okay, back into Midnight, back into Envy. I'm just going to pull that through the crease a little bit. I really love the shade that these two are creating together. It's beautiful. It's like a really deep but vibrant khaki green. Okay, then back into Electric Lime for a little bit of blending. And then I'm just going to wipe that off. And we're going to go into Euphoria, which is this beautiful like lemony yellow. And I'm going to go over the top of all of this with this shade. And then back into Electric Lime just to make sure those two are nicely blended together. Right, okay. What I do now normally is, again, use like a smaller pencil brush, but we're just going to go into Midnight and I'm going to start building up this outer corner. Normally with this kind of look I'd do like a smoky wing. So we're going to try, we'll see what happens. And then we're going to go back in with Envy and start transitioning the black and that Envy shade together. To bring it like 3/4 onto the, 1/3 onto the lid. I don't know my fractions. Just a touch more of that black. Right, okay. I like how that's looking. I'm not going to lie, this has been a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I don't know whether using my fingers is cheating, but I'm going to because I don't really want to put my shimmer on with that brush, to be honest, unless I absolutely have to. We could go with Opal Glow, which is a really interesting like orangey shade with like a green reflect. I think we're going to do this. I think it'll balance really well with the greens. Okay, that is so cool with those greens. See, this is where the issue lies. I cannot get any further into my inner corner than that. Right, we're going to leave it there. I'm going to go do the other eye and then I'm going to come back and then we'll do the inner corner because I don't want to put shimmer on that brush until I've done the outer corner of the second eye, if that makes sense. So I just feel like it'll be easier for me to go and do that first. This is just a little bit more Envy. Just to blend this wing out a little bit. I keep forgetting I've got my foundation on already. Because to be honest, if I'm going to take my makeup off 4 times today, ideally I'm going to avoid taking it all off if I can. Okay, I'll be back. Right, okay, let's do the under eye. I'm going to start with a teeny tiny bit of Midnight. And when I say teeny tiny, I mean really teeny tiny. We're just going to smoke that under the lower lash line. Okay, and then we're going to go in with Envy. And blend that out into that gorgeous smoky khaki green. Right, okay, we're going to go in with Gleam, which is the white shade in the palette. I'm going to load it up on this blobby brush. Oh god, this upsets me deeply. And we're just going to kind of dab it in the region of the inner corner. It's not going to be anything precise. But it's better than no inner corner at all. I think Gleam pays off really well with the Opal Glow shade as well. I'm trying to keep it so that I'm just using like the flat side of the blending brush. Okay, I think that's it. I was really dreading this one, but I feel like, considering, I don't know whether I cheated with using my finger. I may have done. I'm sure Millie will let you know what she decides and what punishment is deemed fit in the comments if I did cheat. But I think this has turned out really beautifully. I think it's probably a testament to the beauty of Eyeshadows and how well they blend, that I didn't need like a range of varying blending sizes. But I really love the way this has turned out. I think it's a beautiful look. I'll definitely be doing it again. Will I be doing it with a couple more brushes? Yeah, probably. But that is today's look, and all we used to create that was one singular brush. Let me know what you think of the look in the comments. Do you think I did a good job? Would you have used a different brush? What brush would you pick if you had to only use one brush? I'd love to know that as well. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more from me, hit subscribe. And if you want to make sure you never miss another video, hit the bell icon and YouTube will notify you next time I post. You've been fabulous, I've been Colourful, and I'll see you next time. Bye!